Hello everyone and welcome to this video. So in this video I want to quickly show all Pi pioneers the way they can secure their Pi wallets from scammers and fraudsters that are out there. So because there's been a lot of complaint from the Pi community and even the pioneers that they've lost their Pi wallet and they've lost it to scammers and all of that. So I just want to quickly show you guys how you can activate this two-factor authentication on your wallet. So what this does is if you activate this two-factor authentication on your wallet, you will need to be authenticating every transaction that is happening in your wallet. Like let's say you want to send out Pi from your wallet, so Pi Cotton is going to send a code to your email and you use that code to authenticate the transaction. So that way it's actually going to reduce the amount of scam that's happening in Pi network. Like let's say someone has your seed phrase or something, so before that person can make transaction, they need to authenticate it, they need to get a code from your email and they might probably not have that email, so it's more difficult to actually hack your account that way. But if your account is not authenticated, like you don't have your two-factor authentication, it's just easy for someone to go into your Pi account and just send out any amount they want to send out. So it's actually advisable to activate this two-factor authentication for pioneers. So to do this stuff, you actually need to do it from the Pi browser. Your Pi browser, the one that is linked to your Pi account. So that's actually the best browser to use for this stuff. So like me, I'm using my own Pi browser here. Now this Pi browser is linked to my Pi account, as you can see. So when you come to your Pi browser, what you need to do is you need to click on this home page that is at the top center of this page on this Pi browser. So when you click it, it's going to load the URL bar. So you need to go to pinet.website. So I'll be leaving this URL. I'll be leaving the link in the description of this video. I'll also be displaying it in front of this screen so you can see it and it might be easier to access that way. So but I'll also be leaving it in the description of this video. So here is the website. Here is the home page, which is going to you'll see the first time you open this website. So what we want to actually do here now is actually we want to activate this anti-scam. There's other utilities in the Pi network that they are developing still, but what we want to do is anti-scam. We want to protect our wallet. So we'll click on anti-scam. So it brings us to this page, and the next thing we need to do is we need to toggle on this button that is opposite anti-scam. So when you turn on this button now, you're going to make your wallet a semi-custodial wallet. So you're going to be authorizing any transaction that is going to be going out of your wallet when you turn on this thing. So we're just going to turn it on and it's going to ask us to verify. Then we'll verify, click verify. So it's going to get us in, and here now we need to connect our wallet. So we need to impute our forward seed phrase. So I've already copied mine. I'm going to paste it. Please, I'll be blurring this part because I don't want anybody to be seeing my seed phrase. So I've already copied it, so I'll paste it here and then I'll click on unlock with passphrase. So when it gets us to this page now, the next thing we need to do now, we need to put an email address. So this email address is going to be where you'll be receiving the authentication from. So any email address you put here now, and whenever you want to transact on your Pi network, you need to receive a code on that email and then use that code to authenticate the transaction. So I'm going to put in my email address here now. So I'll put in. Then after putting my email address, I'll click on verify email. So that is it, pioneers. I have actually activated two-factor authentication on my wallet right here now. So this means anytime I'm trying to send out Pi from this my wallet now, I'll need to get a code that will be sent to this my email address I just linked to this account right now. So that way I will actually protect my Pi because most of the scammers don't have my email still and still have my password. So this is actually a good way to actually protect your Pi. It's advisable for every pioneer to actually activate this feature in their wallet. So that is it, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and share and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this from both Pi network and any other crypto community. See you guys in the next video.